In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Clocks by Coldplay. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
You recognize that one right there. That's Coldplay with a song called Clocks. This one I was talking to Jason about it. He goes, well, is that one a good one for guitar? And I thought, you know what, let's do it. Let's do an arrangement for acoustic guitar in this song. You're used to hearing it for sure on piano. It's got that classic riff. I remember when I first heard that, we were saying the first time we heard Coldplay, it was like really that voice and the hooks and the piano, very cool sounding band. By the way, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you like what you're seeing. I love doing it, so hit me up if you got any comments. I'd love to hear from you. So we're going to do it in the key they do, so in case you want to play it along with them. I got a capo on the first fret. It's a pretty simple song in terms of the chords. But it's deceivingly, it's got some interior melodies, I call it. So it's just a D, A minor, and then I hear a C here. You could be also just do the A minor here, but I hear a to E minor. That's the way I hear the voicing happening. So D, A minor, C, E minor. This is kind of a looping refrain that happens through the song, the verses and the chorus.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
Here's the bridge. The bridge goes F major 7th to C, and to G. Is that 3 times? And then this is great, the way it goes from the bridge to back to the. So I think this song does work on acoustic guitar. It's a little bit out of the ordinary, but I like it. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and play the verse, and then I'm gonna go to the bridge, and then back to the verse, and you can see how it resolves. So it's. Major 7th, C, G, and then again. Just one more time. That sets up the little verse feel. So that's my version of Clocks by Coldplay. Yeah, it's a fun little tune. You know, if you got a piano player around, but you don't always have that. So if you like the song and you want to play along with them, then put a capo on the first fret and you can do it the way I just showed you. And it's a cool song to play, you know, with a couple guitars or with a band or whatever. And one little bonus mention to you, if you like the song and you want to hear it a different way, check out Buena Vista Social Club doing their version of it. Completely different, has a killer horn section. It's this whole Afro-Cuban kind of version of a bunch of different songs. And they do Clocks. And he's singing in the background, and then they kind of do a mashup and an overlay of all these hot Cuban musicians playing it. So that's Clocks, a little bit out of the ordinary. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.